got a storefront coming in, so I made sure to rebid all these sets. Got a nice little coon here in the dog proof. My camera can show you this little rivulet here. Runs down to the river. Comes down that way. Behind us here is a mini mall. We got a supermarket and 2 restaurants up there. So here's this bottom street up. And get that pipe up to the street. I'll dispatch this coon and then I'll show a reading this here. Big marshmallows. And I put the trigger up and actually push this down and actually spear the marshmallow on the trigger itself. That way the mice can't get it out of the, can't pull it out as easily. Usually don't have coon steel on bait, usually it's mice. Give a twist, stick one in the top for visual aid. Maybe 1 or 2 on the ground outside. That's it. There you go. Get in the frame here and I'll do a little. We're out here at my north farm. You see that here, we got a coyote on the left side of this ditch. Where he is a flat set, and earlier in the video you saw that I had one just to the right here earlier this week. It's a great, like I said, I told you before, it's a great location. You got all these cattle paths sort of funneling into one little spot. Perfect spot for double set. I was hoping to get 2 double on coyotes. I'll take one at a time. So let's go dispatch in.
How close can you get to them?
We'll find out.
You gotta shoot them?
No.
Shoot them from a ways? Oh shit. Typically, can you tell by their bark if they're a male or female?
I bet you it's a female.
Really? She's got a really nice back to her.
It looks like the other one I caught here. That big one that was on the board.
Yeah.
Well,
nice black back.
Yeah. Here, you want this? There's another coyote here. See these tufts of fur? These are pulled out of him, probably his ass, by another coyote. And actually, if you look, look at his rear, you can see blood on the back part of him. See it? Back on his flank and right there. That's where another coyote was pulling this fur out of him. So that means he is not the alpha male. The alpha male probably was here and did that to him. So, let's do a remake. Dry dirt, wax paper. This was the backing, it was twice that big when I started. Nice coyote dirt. That's the bed. Loosen the bed up a little bit. Ah, crap. Bed the effing dog. Set. See what the tension is on. those springs. Good enough. Plain non-iodized table salt. If this is a flat set, we want the jaws perpendicular. The dirt hole, we want them parallel. Tack this down, make sure we don't have any wiggle. A little wax paper. A little better wax paper. Roll it up in a ball like this, and when you flatten it out, it doesn't make any noise, especially if it gets a little dampness from the dirt. It's really quiet. A little bit of salt over the ears and jaws. Smooth out the dirt. Want your pen to try to be the lowest spot in your pattern. This is all going to be blended in, so shouldn't really matter. Put my back in there. Take some of this coyote dirt. Torn up grass. Sort of leave a little bit of a walk through here. This is the walk-through area. They can sort of come in this way, go out this way. Get comfortable, and that's it. We just need to lower it. So, hopefully we'll get another nice one. Hopefully that big dog didn't attack him, will come back. It's kind of interesting. I didn't realize that thing is. Definitely attacked his flank. Lennon's Coyote number 3, Coyote Super Alcohol. A little bit on the backing. Hole. And we're good to go, Mr. Storm.